Indirect speech or reported speech. He told me that he had a new job. He told me that he had a new pet. She said that she was feeling tired. John told me that he had a question. He explained that he'd be at the cafe. Mary said that she was feeling unwell. Mary said that she was feeling unwell. He told me that he'd bring some snacks. He told me that he'd seen a great movie. She explained that she needed some help. John mentioned that he was working late. He said that he had a dental appointment. He mentioned that he would call me later. John said that he was going to the beach. He mentioned that he was starting a blog. He told me that he would study all night. They reported that the prices had gone up. They shared that they were having a party. Mary mentioned that she had a big surprise. He said that he was going to a movie night. She said that she had an important meeting. She said that she had an important meeting. Mary said that she was going on a road trip. John mentioned that he was taking a vacation. She explained that she couldn't find her keys. He mentioned that he was studying for an exam. He told me that he was going on a nature hike. Mary said that she was practicing mindfulness. They reported that they were buying a new car. She explained that she was going to the store. She said that she was exploring a new art form. He mentioned that he couldn't attend the event. She explained that she was joining a book club. They reported that they were starting a garden. Sarah told me that she was getting a new phone. She mentioned that she had joined a yoga class. They mentioned that they were going on vacation. He explained that he was taking up birdwatching. They reported that they had finished their work. She explained that she was pursuing a new hobby. They informed us that they were traveling abroad. John said that he was planning a weekend getaway. John said that he wanted to learn a new language. John said that he was going to learn how to swim. John said that he was going to learn how to swim. Sarah mentioned that she was taking up gardening. John mentioned that he'd be there in 5 minutes. She mentioned that she was taking a cooking class. Sarah informed us that she was going to a concert. Sarah said that she was planning a surprise party. He said that he was adopting a pet from a shelter. They reported that the weather was getting colder. Sarah reported that she was taking up photography. Mary told me that she was launching a new product. He explained that he was going to a science museum. Sarah mentioned that she was practicing meditation. She mentioned that she was starting a new business. He explained that he was going to a film screening. They reported that the project was almost complete. He mentioned that he was attending a music concert. He mentioned that he was attending a music concert. He explained that he was not interested in politics. Mary explained that she couldn't attend the meeting. She reported that she was planning a beach vacation. She explained that she was going to a job interview. Sarah informed us that she was moving to a new city. Mary told me that she was organizing a charity event. He mentioned that he was attending a tech conference. She said that she was going to a spa for the weekend. She said that she was going to a spa for the weekend. He told me that he was improving his culinary skills. Mary told me that she was visiting a historical site. They reported that they were exploring a new cuisine. She explained that she was going to a music festival. He told me that he was attending a painting workshop. They reported that they were going to learn to dance. Sarah said that she was joining a meditation retreat. They informed us that they were renovating their home. He explained that he was coaching a youth soccer team. He mentioned that he was going on a hiking expedition. He explained that he was preparing for a camping trip. She explained that she was attending a language class. They reported that they were renovating their kitchen. They reported that they were sailing in the Caribbean. They reported that they were sailing in the Caribbean. He explained that he was attending a family gathering. She said that she was participating in a charity walk. Mary said that she was taking a creative writing class. Sarah told me that she was learning to play the guitar. John explained that he was going to a cultural festival. He mentioned that he was participating in a charity run. John told me that he was attending a wine tasting event. John told me that he was volunteering for a local cause. John told me that he was attending a wine tasting event. John told me that he was volunteering for a local cause. Mary mentioned that she was participating in a charity run. They reported that they were moving to a different country. Sarah said that she was planning a surprise for her friends. Mary explained that she was going to a local farmer's market. John told me that he was going to a photography workshop. She mentioned that she was taking up a new fitness routine. He told me that he was taking part in a local art exhibition. They reported that they were planning a trip to the mountains. They reported that they were getting ready for a family reunion. She mentioned that she was organizing a neighborhood picnic. Sarah mentioned that she was organizing a community cleanup. They told me that They were participating in a charity fundraiser. She mentioned that she was learning to cook international dishes.